Inside Cosmetics just stepped into the cushion foundation world, and I'm not gonna lie, I have high expectations. It looks promising, it's affordable, but is it actually worth it? Today I'm sharing my first impressions. Very real, very honest, zero sugar coating. So let's find out if it's giving glow or just giving hype. So there is this outer packaging, very flashy, isn't it? It's mentioned Cushion You Cushion Foundation. So let me show you the inner packaging. It comes in a tub packaging, rose gold cap. At the back you'll find the details. Once you open the cap, you get this standard cushion applicator, which is very similar to the Korean cushion applicator, and you get this kind of flap. Here is the product. Now this flap of mine does not close, it's not secure. It does not have that tick kind of sound when you close it. Mine is little faulty. So I picked up this from their official website. It retails for $357. You get 20 grams of product with 3 years of shelf life. But when I saw the shade range, part of my expectation left the chat already, because you just get 4 shades, and I picked up the second last shade, which is caramel tan. So here you can see it has SPF 30 with PA+++, but do not forget your separate SPF. And this is a heavy silicone based foundation. That is how you are going to get that smooth blurred finish. Also it has niacinamide, vitamin E and hibiscus extract. So today I've nicely prepped my skin, did some color correction, but did not use any primer because I want to see how this foundation performs on its own. And they say it has a medium to full buildable coverage. Also it does not oxidize, it remains true to its color. Also it's transfer sweat, water and heat resistant. Let me just swatch the shade on the back of my hand so that we can check the oxidation. That's how the shade caramel tan looks on my brown skin. I think it is a neutral shade, and because I'm a true neutral, I do not like yellow or warm looking foundations on me. So yeah, let's just dive straight into the application. So I'm just slightly pressing, taking off the excess. I'm just going with a light layer at the moment, and we'll see how much we need. That's the right side of my face, this side without any foundation. I think the shade match is okay. It doesn't look too bad when I check in the mirror. Even if I did not use any primer, it's giving me a very smooth, evened out skin. It has nicely given me a medium coverage. I can still see some of my imperfections, like little bit of my pimple mark, my breakout marks peeking through. But you can totally build up to a full coverage if you want to, but I'm totally happy with just one layer of this foundation. And it doesn't feel heavy at all. I don't feel any weight of this foundation. So here is my skin after applying the foundation. It gives a matte finish, but it's not totally a flat matte kind of finish. It still has little bit of softness to it, and it doesn't feel stretchy or drying in any ways because I have a dry and matured skin type. It did not even cling to any of my textures. It just went on very easily, and it does not feel sticky. It has nicely set on my skin. The shade match is just right. If you're close enough to my skin tone, and if you have a true neutral undertone, you can take this shade as your reference, because I don't see any difference from my neck and face. It's just one color. I'll post the picture over here. And this foundation does not transfer, you guys. You can check the tissue. It does not have any stain whatsoever. I'm so happy. Now I'm very much interested to see whether it is actually waterproof and sweat proof. And if this claim stands true, then I think I have the best affordable foundation. And now let me complete the rest of my face makeup. I just want to see how rest of the makeup blends on top of this foundation, and I'll come back very soon. So guys, I'm back after full face of makeup. This is how my skin looks with Inside Cosmetics Cushion Foundation. Honestly speaking, I'm totally blown away with the formulation, and Inside Cosmetics have really nailed it, because my skin looks absolutely smooth, blurred. Despite of not using any primer, I do not see any difference. Now today I did set my face on the center and under my eyes ever so slightly, but despite of that, it's not giving me any kind of dry or stretchy feeling. The foundation feels absolutely lightweight and hydrating on the skin, even if it is a silicone based foundation. And I'm loving the fact that it is not emphasizing any of my texture. Whatever product I used on top of this foundation, everything just went on so smoothly and easily. One word for this foundation, that it is effortless. Every skin type can use this, and because this undertone was rightly made for me, I am absolutely loving how it's making my skin feel. It doesn't look yellow, it doesn't look orange. It is like made need for my undertone. So you really have to pick your undertone correct. Even if the shade is little bit light or dark, it is going to balance out once you complete your entire makeup. But if the undertone is wrong, it is definitely going to make some difference. And with all the makeup on top, it's not feeling heavy at all. Now let's do a fresh swatch to test whether it is actually true to its color or not. So there you go. And the foundation does not oxidize and it is true to its color. So I am loving the claim that they have done it so well. Now I'm blending the foundation on the back of my hand to check if it is waterproof. Do you see the radiance it is providing? I did not have any moisturizer on my hand. It gives a very subtle radiance. So I can say that the foundation is not absolutely matte. On the other hand, it gives a very soft radiant matte finish. You can see the tissue is absolutely clean. I'm patting it very slightly and no transfer, so it's absolutely waterproof. One word for this foundation, it's wow. This is not a sponsored video. Inside Cosmetics does not even know that I exist. They have not given me any kind of PR. It is my personal thought. The packaging is sustainable. The applicator is so. I wish they had given a little big applicator because it just slides off my finger. But the downside of this foundation is they do not have enough shade range. Just 4 shade is not going to do any justice, and I request Inside Cosmetics to extend your shade range so that more and more skin tones can actually try out this foundation, because it is worth 357 rupees and I think it is better than any other Korean foundation in the market. I know I've given a big statement, but it is actually worth the money. I will also insert a wear test over here so that you can have a fair idea about its longevity. And because I have a sweaty skin, I think this climate will be an ultimate time to put this to test.
Okay, I'm actually shocked right now. It's been 5 hours and as you can see, I'm sweating like crazy. But this foundation has not moved at all. My skin looks glowy, not oily. It hasn't melted, it's not patchy, and it hasn't settled into my fine lines or texture. And I even used a tissue to check for transfer. There's literally nothing. And the craziest part, I did not even prime my face. It still feels super lightweight and very skin-like. Honestly, if you find your shade, I would definitely recommend this.
So yeah, would you be interested in trying out this foundation or you would pass? Let me know down in the comments.